Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the language in Line Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open up the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and then click on Settings, the gear icon on the top right hand corner. Then you can scroll all the way down and you can find languages under general settings. Go ahead and tap on language and you can see there are a lot of languages you can select from. So you can go ahead and select the language of your choice, click save, and if you go back you can see the line will be restarted and now it is currently selected to French. Go ahead and click on settings, scroll all the way down and you can see this globe icon. This is language. Go ahead and tap on it, and if you want to select it for the default, so mostly the default languages are English, so you can see that it has been selected to English, but you can change it to any other language just like Spanish, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, Turkish and other languages as well. So you can go ahead and do this and change your language easily using Line. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.